so many agents that I have talked to over the years have tried to create, oh, I don't want to do this until it's just right. Man, just get it out there. Get the thing working for you. And what I have taught in the past is the framework of design, build, run, repeat. Design it, which is kind of the standard operating procedures. Build it, which now is the pasting it in and letting Sam build it for you. Run it just means run the routines, let it do its thing, run it through a few people. And then at the end of each process, whenever everything's said and done, that you can go through and see what you would have changed and then make those changes. That's the run and repeat. Repeat it, do it again. And you're going through and fine tuning it as you're doing it. You'll see that it, created the actions, the calculations, the actions, so many things that you would have to do typically on your own. Now it does it for you.
Welcome to the future of real estate technology.
Today.